How to enable dark mode on Facebook app. If you prefer a darker screen for comfort or to save battery, enabling dark mode on the Facebook app is quick and easy. Start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap the menu icon, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to expand more options, then tap Dark Mode. You will see a few choices: On, Off, or Use System Settings. Selecting On will immediately switch your Facebook interface to a dark theme, which is easier on the eyes in low light and can help extend battery life on OLED screens. Once selected, the change takes effect right away, giving your app a sleeker and more comfortable look for nighttime browsing. Dark mode is a great feature to keep your Facebook experience easy on the eyes. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.